Unlock the power of Telegram bots, friendly helpers that can transform your financial journey unexpectedly. Imagine earning money effortlessly while having fun. This is what multiple bots can do for you. Using various bots means distributing small amounts of money, like having many helpers at your service. Why rely on one bot when diversifying protects your earnings and keeps your money safe? With multiple bots, you can earn from different streams, making your financial experience more thrilling. When selecting bots, prioritize safety, user-friendliness, and positive feedback from others who use them. The first step is choosing reliable bots, ensuring they meet safety standards set by trusted adults. Monitor your bots regularly. If one isn't performing, switch it up to keep the momentum going. It's wise to only allocate a small portion of your funds to lessen the risk of losing everything. So, dive into the world of Telegram bots, carefully select your helpers, and enjoy earning confidently.